Welcome to our channel. Today we how to set up Cloudflare Zero Trust for your VPS access, complete guide step by step clearly. To set up Cloudflare Zero Trust for your VPS access, begin by logging into your Cloudflare account. If you don't have an account, create one by visiting the Cloudflare website. Once logged in, navigate to the Zero Trust section in the Cloudflare dashboard. Click on the Get Started button to initiate the setup process. In the Zero Trust dashboard, select Access from the left-hand menu. Next, click on Applications to create a new Access application. Select Add an application and choose Self-hosted as the application type. Provide a name for your application to easily identify it later. Under Domain, enter the domain name of your VPS. Next, you will configure the application's URL. This should be the public-facing URL of your VPS service. Choose forwarding as the type of access method. This will direct users to your VPS URL after authentication. Now, proceed to configure the login methods. You can choose from various identity providers such as Google, GitHub, or custom login. Once you have selected a provider, click Save. You will now need to set up policies for access control. Navigate to Access Policies under the Zero Trust dashboard. Click on Add an Access Policy. Begin by defining the policy name and description. Choose the application you created earlier as the target application. Set the action to allow to grant access based on the specified rules. Define users or groups that will be permitted access. This can be individual emails or entire teams, depending on your requirements. Specify conditions if needed, such as location or device posture. After setting your access policies, click Save. Now, let's move to the Cloudflare Tunnel configuration for your VPS. Install the Cloudflare Tunnel client, called Cloudflared, on your VPS. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.